In order to build a successful business, one must start small and dream big. This best describes 34-year-old William Turangavo, who resigned from the civil service to operate his own rental car business, which has been in operation for over a year now. Josiah Nanunga with this success story.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.
Despite being a teacher by profession for over 5 years, William Turangabo from Rekiniwai in the Konrove never gave up his dream of being an entrepreneur.
This actually kicked off last year, September. It kicked off with 5 vehicles, registered license rentals. It was a bit difficult at the time. We started off with 3 1.5 hybrids, and we had a Voxy, which is a 7-seater car, and we also had a 1.8, 1.5. Yeah, so we started off with that, 5 vehicles.
The single father of one says engaging prominent figures in his business helped boost his services.
The biggest highlight for us was getting Jerry Tuai on board to be part of our team. We support him as an individual person for who he is. His character is really unique, a genuine Fijian who's been a good ambassador for the sport and also for the country. So I think the biggest highlight was being able to get him on board, and also him inviting us over to a private function which he was held on his behalf down at the Tano International. And for me and the director, it was a highlight of the business, because after that we saw an increase, a boost in numbers of clients who are coming in to join Tough Rentals.
Turangabo also highlighted some of the challenges his business encountered over the past few months.
I believe that the changes in bookings, at times the clients call in and they are booking in advance and they paid the deposit, and then they get to change all of a sudden, last minute change, and they said, okay, we would like to change the dates. It's a bit difficult because then we have slotted other vehicles on that dates and we cannot accommodate for that. I think that's the only challenges. And apart from that, another one is a mechanical problem. If there's an issue with the cars or vehicles that we have, a breakdown or something, and it's in the middle of the night, that is a big challenge for us to try and accommodate or to replace vehicles wherever the clients are.
His advice to aspiring entrepreneurs is to never give up and always strive for that light at the end of the tunnel.
I believe that the time now is for us to venture into it, just like what our Prime Minister is trying to market overseas for people to come and start a business. For those of us who are able to venture into being an entrepreneur, I would encourage everyone and those who are able to do it to try and venture into it. It's a good industry where you get to do things at your own pace and do the things that you love the most.
Down the line, Turangabo and his business partners plans to increase the number of fleets to 20 in order to meet the increasing demand from local and international customers. Josiah Nanunga, FBC News.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.